Okay. Go ahead. Do something.
Make a snow angel. Okay, just plop.
I farted.
You farted?
I think.
That's on videotape, I hope you know.
Are you gonna put it on YouTube?
Yep. I farted.
Okay, do a snow angel.
Fall backwards.
Don't.
I totally missed it. Yeah, I got a big old butt shot. I got just went down right in front. It's like, oh. You're a brat.
No.
Yes, admit it. Tag.
Oh, I was picked right.
Oh, you missed it. You just ruined our wall.
What the fuck is your problem?
Go do it. Get her. Go get her. Oh, you guys are a riot. Dang, it's getting cold out. Hands are getting numb. Go do it again, Joel. Go dive into the hill. Go do it. I want to see. Joel's coming at you. Do it.
It's cold.
You got a big old poofy jacket on. Come on now. Go do your thing. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
No, man.
Oh my God. Let's look at this big thing he's got coming. The heck? Where'd you get that at?
On the hill.
Jeez. It's a block of ice. Or I should say a block of snow. Get up!
I can't get up.
Go help your sister. Joel, go help your sister. You hurt your head? You alright? Come on, cars are starting to come. You alright? Had enough of this coldness? You guys look like two popsicles.
I landed right on my freaking hip.
Oh, on your hip. I thought you said your head. It's like, shit, are you okay?
I want to make a.
So you can watch the cars go by?
Man.
That was a big old chunk of snow.
I was running and then he hit me and I tripped over my foot and then I was like, and then I landed on my hip.
Oh, I'm sorry. That probably hurt, huh?
Ow, man.
Ow, man. So, Joel,
Yep.
this is a warmer-upper of our trip to the mountain.
How long are we going to be there?
Just for the weekend. Oh, come on. Where's your sense of adventure? Where's your sense of adventure, Peyton? Go get her. So totally missed that. Do it again. Wait, I gotta zoom back. Hold on. Alright, go. I want to see ya. Hey, man. Come on, do it.
Oh!
Does that snow pretty hard?
It's actually pretty soft.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's compliments of the snowplows. Hey! Don't do a sneak attack on me, man. Watch out. Watch out. There's a car coming. I get out of the road. You know, I don't trust these fools.
Man, my friggin' fingers are about to fall off.
I know. So.
Oh man, what the hell? I'm trying to hit the back tires.
I'm going in the house. My fingers are about to fall off.
Alright.
And my stomach hurts.
Go get out of those wet clothes. Hey, quit with the sneak attacks, will ya? I have no idea where I'm standing either. The belter. Get her. Before she goes in the house. Get her. Damn, Joel, you wasted the opportunity. She gave you a big old target, too, with her J-Lo booty. Cornbread! Alright, I'm done for the day.